So, I made some new friends. I don't know if you could tell who it might be, but they, you know. All right, I'm gonna tell you. So, I made friends with Holley Performance. They like the Model A. Y'all don't know a whole lot about the Model A. I built the car about 3 years ago. Small block Ford. Simple GT40 heads. It has a current fuel injection system on it that I want more, and this can't give me more. So, Holley said, I can help you. So, here we are today. We are gonna give this car a full-blown makeover. Fuel injection, new wheels, different transmission, you name it, we're doing it. We're doing everything other than the body. So, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the car. So, sitting over here, like I said, we got a small block Ford. It's got a fast, easy EFI system on it. Now, the system worked. It gave me very minimum issues. But like I said, it's like first generation type fuel injection system. Like it's the Easy EFI 1.0. That's how old it is. The tuning on it, it's just not there. You just, I don't know how to explain it. You don't have the technology or the capabilities or the tunability that everything now has. Even what they offer now is way better than this. So, like I said, we're going with the Holley. But it has GT40 heads, has a small cam in it, everything. It's a 29 Model A, 4-door car, you know, done out and everything. But we're gonna ditch that. We're gonna take that and just, we're gonna get it out of there. So, moving to the inside. Come around over here. The car is relatively simple. Whenever I built it like 3 years ago. So, I got odometer gauges. Oh, I gotta crawl in here. This car isn't the biggest, and I'm not the biggest. I got these odometer gauges and stuff, so this is all going. The dash, everything. Look, that says Simon's Powerhouse. This part's staying, this dash cap. This part's leaving. This is leaving. I have this B&M shifter in here already. It's a slap shift for like a Fox body Mustang or something. Guess what? Get out of here. It's out of here. It's going. Hey, while I'm here, go get y'all one of those from sweetpatina.com. I didn't keep track of my mileage. I just thought it looked cool. So, I'm going to go get something that's going to go there. Most of y'all are going to be like, you can't put that in a hot rod. This guy is. This guy is putting this in his hot rod. Guess what it is? We are putting ourselves a Holley Pro Dash. What? The 12.3 Pro Dash. All of these switches, all this stuff, out of here. Getting out of here. It's all gonna be here. So I got a new dash coming. This one wasn't that great anyways whenever I got it. I was on a budget. I still build everything on a budget. But this came up super cheap and I bought it. This is the original dash cap. This is a aftermarket dash. They did all kinds of ghetto stuff here. I don't like it. But that, come on, guys. You can't tell me that's not gonna be cool. Now, I'm not gonna do it where it's just like bolted to it and it's just out there in the open. I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna inset it, we're gonna make it a flush mount, we're gonna do all the good stuff. We're gonna pull that out. So, also, we got a new shifter. This one is very old. I bought this when I was like, I don't know, 16? So it was like 15 years ago when I bought this shifter when I first built my Fox body. gotta go. It's in park now. It was in park earlier. But the beautiful thing is, this isn't paint. This is powder coat. So, lucky for me, my powder coater keeps most of my old stuff. And whenever I do this, send it, powder coat, bam, right back in the car, like nothing ever happened. We'll probably have to make a new center console because that other shifter is a lot higher and I don't feel like looking like one of those rat fiend monster painting things. Would be cool, but we're not gonna do that. So, the other thing is, you could be like, how are you gonna make that car look any cooler? Because I gotta admit, this car looks pretty badass as it is. But, luckily, I can make it look a little cooler with the help of this box right here. Let's open it up. I'll show you what I got. I didn't even know that they started making these wheels again. I thought they quit making Holley. So, come to find out, Holley owns Holley. My God, what wrapping? Oh. Y'all ready? Look at that. Look at that. Don't get me wrong. Torque thrust D's, good looking wheel. But it's time to change it up a little bit. So we got Holley for this bad boy. Look at that. Can you see that? It's gonna look amazing. So, appearance-wise, that's all that's changing on the car. We're changing the wheels. But, it gets better. It gets better from here. You ready for the next thing? I'm gonna show you the next thing. I told you, I want tuning capability. And they said, I got the answer for you. And boy, howdy, did they have the answer for me. So, what we got here, the other thing, hang on, don't go nowhere, we're gonna talk about this. The other thing is, the car has a C6 transmission. Whenever I first originally mocked it up, I had a 4R70W. I still have that transmission. So in the midst of talking with them about this, the Holley Terminator X Max Stealth, guess what? It controls a 4R70W transmission. So, they said, we got the tunability for you, we got the transmission control for you. And I said, let's party. So, what we have here is the Max Stealth. Look at this. If you didn't see these wires, you would think this was a full-blown carburetor. What? See, the one I have on there now, you ain't fooling nobody. You just look at it and you're like, hey, that ain't a carburetor, bud. And it's like, yeah, I know, it's fuel injection. Which there's nothing wrong with fuel injection. I like fuel injection, so I use it. But look at this thing, look. Look. Of course, we're not gonna do full unboxing videos and stuff right now, but as time progresses and we do these parts, you'll see more things. Of course, you got your wiring harness, more wiring harness, more wiring. Ooh, see, then you got this for your fuel. You know, you can get all the hot rodders going. Look, looks like, oh man, that looks like a double pumper. It's not a double pumper, but it's what it looks like. And then, the brains of the party. Looks like a squirrel got all of this box. But, let's open this. And trust me, we're gonna go in full detail of installing this bad boy. Because boy howdy, I'm probably gonna need help. Look at this. It's a tuning stick. I think it's for a laptop. Ooh. That's neat. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That thing has some girth to it. Yeah. So, what you might be saying to yourself is, that sure is a lot for an old Model A. Yeah, kinda it is. But, you never know, guys. I might be like, you know what this car needs after all this is done? It needs a set of turbos. It might need a supercharger. I don't know. Wyan makes a supercharger for this thing. I could decide to put it on there. Oh, hang on. But at this moment, we are gonna put this fuel injection on. And I got a set of aluminum trick flow heads, and I got an Anderson N41 camshaft. Yeah. For an NA small block Ford, I don't know, it'll be making like 350, something like that. It's not crazy, but this car weighs like 2,000 pounds, it's wood. So, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to burn the tires off of this car. Sound fun? Sounds fun to me. The party don't stop there, guys. We got more. So, you know how I said, we want to burn the tires off of this thing. Guess what? I've never been able to burn the tires off this car. And it's not that the car's never not made the power to do it. It's the way I have set up the brakes. I have dual master cylinders for my brakes, one for the front, one for the rear. So, once again, Holley's got the answers for me. Guess what? They said, I got what you need. And it's a very old school solution, and I was like, dang, why didn't I think of that? We got a line lock, boys. We got a line lock. So you know what that means? We are gonna have a switch on that Pro Dash and go click, and then just put it to the floor. And we're gonna see what happens to those tires. Hopefully it burns the tires and doesn't like break a drive shaft or something. Cause the drive shaft's pretty small. I don't know. I wasn't thinking that one through. But we're gonna do burnouts. Who doesn't want to do burnouts? That's what I'm talking about. It's not every day you have this opportunity. Cause not only, I don't know if y'all noticed, there's a lot of room in the very back of this car. Because, you know, 4-doors aren't cool, but guess what? This 4-door is badass. So that's what we got. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Not only are we doing all of this to this car, everything we got going on. New wheels, new shifter, new fuel injection, redo the dash, I'm gonna build a new fuel tank for it. Because I'm not gonna show you all the parts they sent me, but they sent me some cool stuff that I want to show y'all. It is some really good stuff. Let's just say that. So, not only are we doing all of this, we're not just doing this just to be like, oh, look, I did it. No, we're taking this bad boy to Holley Ford Fest in September. Well, September 29th to October 3rd. I think that's the right dates. In Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're taking this car there to Holley Ford Fest. We get to hang out, do all kinds of stuff, and we're gonna do some burnouts in this thing. We're gonna burn the tires off of it. So, if y'all are in the area, or if y'all are going, let me know. Y'all can watch me roast the tires off this car. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're doing here. Building this thing to do some burnouts. Now, we're not gonna destroy it, but we're gonna do some burnouts. So with that being said, that's the plan. Did I tell you everything we're gonna do to this car? No, I did not. Do we have other plans? Yes, we have other plans. Am I gonna tell it all to you now and just spoil it all and just, it's not even cool? No, I'm not gonna do that. I like that little thing. But, like I said, Holley Ford Fest, September 29th to October 2nd. This will be there, and maybe another car. Y'all haven't seen that car. Made a little road trip this weekend. Pick something up. She's beautiful. She's from the 50s. I like my girls with a little age on them. You know what I'm saying? Just saying. So, I'll film a whole video on that car. Fill you in on that. It's gonna be a lot newer engine, a lot newer transmission, and Holley engine management. And it's Ford. What does that tell you? Ponder on that for a little bit. But for now, this video is focusing on this girl right here. That's what we're gonna do. So, Holley Ford Fest, this is gonna be there. Hopefully you'll be there. Rip some burnouts and stuff in this. I don't know. These tires got a lot of tread. I don't feel like it needs all of that tread. If you know what I'm saying. So, till next time, we're gonna start tearing this down. Or I'm gonna show you the other car. It's gonna be a surprise.